been saying now a couple of weeks since we put the low out, we've got a descending 1/3 speed line at 280.53 and an equally significant horizontal channel top at 289.37 that represents our ceiling of resistance through the month of May, and below which selling pressures should continue to build and result in downside continuation into the mid 150s to low 160s. And by that I mean 156.32 to 162.42 5-year channel support. It is a range. It's expected over the next 3 to 5 weeks, 156.32 to 162.42, so long as we continue trading below 280.53 to 289.37. Now on the way down, I've got 237.34. That is the 5/8 Fibonacci that we bottomed out at roughly late last week. We certainly gapped below it on Monday. It is our intraday resistance, 237.34, and below which the 211.44, almost a 2-week channel bottom, is in reach today. 211.44 can contain daily selling pressures, and if we close below 211.44 today, 193.65 is then likely within 1 to 2 days. 193.65 is channel support that spans several weeks, can contain weekly selling pressures. We might even round up from here. I don't know if we would round back up into the 280s within 2 to 3 to 5 weeks of doing so, but we could see stability play out following a test of 193.65. Closing below 193.65 converges anyway with long-term support. So if we take our time getting down here, if it takes a few weeks to get down here, it's all a bit of a moot point anyway. The accelerator for actually anticipating 193.65 sooner than later would be a settlement today below 211.44. I've got very sellable resistance at 237.34. I don't know if we'll see that today, but if so, it can contain intraday, possibly daily highs, and below which the emphasis remains heavy to 211.44, where we can place a daily low. Closing below 211.44, expect a test this week of 193.65, where a weekly low can be placed, and possibly into later May trade, we could round up again. There'll be a new descending channel top that will combine with the channel bottom that we might just call a 2 to 3 week possibility. But if we close below 193.65 over the next week or so, that would be consistent with our longer term expectation of 162.42. So closing below 193.65, expect that 162.42 to 156.32 region within just another full week of activity. Check us out at wickedstocks.com. You get a 5-day free trial up front. You also get weekly Apple stock, daily triple Q, daily SPY, weekly S&P 500, weekly NASDAQ 100 analysis, and 2 stock picks every week. You can see that all by going to wickedstocks.com.